If you suffer a breakdown caused by a puncture, having emergency tyre repair foam can get you quickly back on the road. Ensure that your vehicle is in a safe place, away from traffic. If this is unavailable, then contact your vehicle recovery service for further assistance. For this video, we'll be using the Sealey emergency tyre repair foam. Firstly, inspect your tyre to check that it's suitable for repair. This foam is suitable for punctures up to 5 mm in diameter. Remove any foreign objects that may be stuck in the tyre. If possible, position the puncture at the lowest possible point of the tyre. This will make the foam more effective. Make sure that your vehicle is switched off and that your handbrake is applied. Then turn your hazard lights on to alert other road users. Then shake the can well before use. Screw the filling hose to the valve on your tyre. Now remove the protective finger tab from the top of the can. Press down on the button on top of the can and empty the full contents of the can into the tyre. Once the can is empty, unscrew the filling hose from the tyre valve. You can then drive at a maximum speed of 30 miles per hour. It's essential to have the tyre professionally repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Always advise the tyre service centre that emergency tyre repair has been used. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.